Okay, he's in the garage. Work will be commencing now on the tear down of the motor to get to the cam, because I need to identify what it is. It's a mystery cam. I'm putting Vortec heads on it, so I need to know what that cam size is so I can set up the heads properly, because the heads are stock right now. So if I put an aftermarket cam with a higher lift that's higher than the stock springs rating, then we'll have problems, big time problems, catastrophic problems. So we can't have that. So in order to seat that all properly, I got to know what that cam specs are. So this grill will be coming off, everything all the way inside. I already started, took the alternator off. I removed some wires that I found that were not even being used for anything, but they were being run through here. I'm guessing they were this thing used to have AC, so it had provisions for all that, and the wires were still there, so I deleted them all. I don't need none of that. It's not happening. It's going to be a nice clean bare motor. You'll be able to see everything. Hang on 1 second. This rad will be coming out today, hopefully. I'm going to try to save the liquids. I'll have to get a catch can down there. So that's where we stand right now. Carb's coming out. I'm just a little bit worried right now about the gas situation when I pull that carb, because I do have a fire running in the garage here to keep it warm. Well, wood burning stove, you could say. So maybe I'll just shut it down, the wood burning stove, in the meantime, and then I could take the carb off. And then once the fumes have calmed down, if it gets too cold, I can start it back up. We'll see. All right, there's where we are right now. We'll be back with some good updates. Here, I gotta disconnect that. Shit, but I do have this shut off switch there. But you never know. Looking good. All right, we'll be back. Okay. Van's in the garage. We are indoors as we get ready to start taking out, not out, but start taking apart the engine. There we go. I'm going to take this seat out, open up the doghouse, and we're going to start removing the engine from the top down. We're going to get to the cam so we can identify the cam. If the cam is within the specs of the stock range, then maybe I could keep those springs. But anyway, we're in the garage for the winter. She's not going to see no winter snow, salt, slush, none of that shit. I'm going to clean her up nice. Man, I don't know if this camera's just got zero light factor here, but we'll see. I'll set up some good lighting once I start tackling this thing. Of course, Dino's already loving that the van's inside. Hey, buddy. You get to stay in here all night. It's going to be his doghouse for a while. That's alright. That's a good boy. I'll probably sleep in here too with him. But anyway, that's where we stand. Hopefully we got some lighting here. Oh my god. I'll definitely bring that light there. I'll bring it inside. And alright, here we go. He's ready to start working on. Got the doghouse off, got the seat out. I might be taking this. I already hit my elbow on one of the corners here. That's why I put this hat there. It doesn't feel good at all. So I'll probably, if I hit it a few more times, I'll be definitely taking that right out. For now, I start taking out the wires. I got these out. A bunch of these tie straps. Freeing up the wiring. Getting these heads taken off. That's the whole process here. Alright. Tomorrow we'll definitely be starting in the front. Because I'm going to have to take off that radiator. And I'll be trying to catch and save all the liquids if I can. They're all pretty much brand new. So, alright, we'll be back. Power tool is here, baby. Just the power and your own manual labor. That's about it. It makes it more worth it when you finish it. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a little workbench here so I can put my tools. It's not good to put them on here because the reason why I have a freaking new radiator is because this hole here, I had a big tool sitting on here and it went in and damaged the rad. That's why I got a new one here. Okay, so take that other side off. Okay. 1 and 2. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in here for a minute. There's some WD on the knot there. There we got a little rust. Good deal. Okay. Okay. Now, this right here. Of course, not a half inch. 7/16. That's a number 10. Okay, empty. Okay, taking the fan out. Couple screws there, or bolts. Using the old trusted open end style box end wrench. Old school.
You don't need no fancy drills and bits and all this bullshit. You do everything in these old machines all by the old school tools.
Okay, removing these little nuts so that we could take the rad fan right out. Hey, here we go. Clutch fan is out. Looks to be in good shape. Nice and hard to turn there, see that? 7-blade. Came from a big block. So, and it fit perfectly inside the small block setup here, so just so you know. Okay. Gotta check this water pump pulley here and whatnot. It seems like it's alright though, but I got a brand new one. So I'll probably just install the brand new one anyway. I'm gonna do all the new gaskets anyhow, so it's coming off, so then I'm gonna clean the block all up there. Okay, you should be able to take this out. We've got a lot of wires in the way, and I'd have to take the upper rad hose off. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I've got to loosen this out of here. I know. Probably don't need to take this off by right, so I do. So the light is coming off. 1 and 2. Ah, it's all connected there, you son of a. Okay, let's see if I can take this out. I did all this work about 30 years ago, and it's like doing it all over again. I don't remember nothing. Well, a few things, but definitely this I didn't remember. Now what? Let's see what happens for trying to take this out again. I think I just take the rad out first. Okay. Sucker. Oops, sorry about that. But it's out. Give it a good cleaning after when we put it back in. Okay, wow, look at all this room in here. I'm gonna bolt this back up. Maybe just leave it out of the way for now. Whatever. Okay. Well, maybe we can loosen that belt. Just come out. Then I gotta remove that lower rad hose, check it out, see if it's gonna be any good, or I gotta replace it. This one here is the new one, the one on top. Then we'll be removing these hoses here. And those lines for the transmission cooler. And we can pull this rad out. And then I'm going to take this grill off. Oop. Then I'll be able to fully access the front end. Hopefully I don't have to take this off. But that would be a little bit of a nightmare for sure. So, maybe not, we'll see. But anyway, what else can I start disassembling in here? I mean, the rad is really the next proper move to take out. But to do that, I gotta get my containers ready to catch fluids. Because I kind of want to reuse it if possible. This stuff's not cheap these days. We'll be back with the next update. I might go and get my containers so we can disassemble the rad. Okay, this is day one. Day one still. And we'll be back. She's a predator. She bleeds green. She bleeds green. Oh my goodness. Oh, she bleeds green. Mixture, some oil in there. It may not be good to use again, that fluid. We'll see. Probably won't hurt. Might help lubricate a little bit extra. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, the radiator's out. Boom. Nice and clear. Got my containers there. There's a little bit of oil in them, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, or I'll have to puncture at the bottom and drain them out from the bottom to not get that oil. But whatever. And here we are. Taking the grill out next. Got the two bottom bolts out. Got to get a Torx. Where is it? Right there. Torx. Torx. And then the grill will come out. Full access right in to take the cam out. Yeah, we're getting close. I don't think I need to take this water pump arm, the steering pump out. Just got to loosen it to get the belt off. I think that could stay. Anyway. Take that ground wire off the block. Okay, looking good. So here we could see where the alternator was. There's one bolt that ties in with this bracket. Alright. There's a bolt on the water pump and a bolt on the manifold. And this side has 3 bolts, but only one bolt is being used for the ground. Alright, let's figure it out. Gotta go charge the battery. I ordered like 4 batteries, so I'm only working with one right now, and it's pretty weak. Only lasts maybe half hour if I'm lucky. Okay, I'm gonna go charge and okay. Went and picked up this puller kit, harmonic balancer, and we are going to see if that works. Right, boy? Got his little toy there. Alright, good boy. Okay, let's have a look at the progress here. See where we're at. Give it a good degreasing, cleaning spray. Got the pulley off. Just gotta get that balancer off now. That's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a little scrub down. And I'll paint the block once I get that puller off. May or may not take that off. We'll see. Yeah, probably will at some point. I'll just keep all the hoses attached and just kind of move it out of the way so I can clean up nice and paint it good under there. So yeah, other than that, she's ready to go. It's the stuff I used here. Show too much of it. But yeah. So we're gonna do that next. I'm gonna use that tool I bought. Check it out. Should work good. And we'll see where we're at. I can't wait to get that timing cover off. But I'll probably clean it and paint it before I. Well, I could take it off and then put it back on just to paint it after. No big deal. Alright, and that's where we stand, right, boy? Oh, he wants to go for the sleep, eh? Okay, this is it. Alright, folks, let's check it out. Dampener's off. Or the balancer, if you want to call it that. Either way, same. And the timing chain is off. And we got a double roller. We got a double roller. That's performance. So that's good. And there was our dot. I lined that up at 6 o'clock before I took it off. And the crank gear was at 12 o'clock. That's how it's supposed to be. Now, the engine's at top dead center, but we got some amazing news here, folks. I got the cam identified. And there it is. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, we got some numbers there. It's a Comp Cams Magnum 280H, which is a 480 lift with a 230 duration. So it's got a little bit of a, got a little bit of a duration on it. It basically says that it's for a a rough idle, which I like it because it gives it that character rumble. You know what I mean? Which I like to have. Check that out. There's the thing there. It fell down. So, you can almost see right inside the pan. It almost looks like we're low on oil down there. Check that out. But I definitely will be dropping that pan down. I'll probably be lifting the block up. We'll remove those bolts eventually. Where is it? Right there. Those guys. And on this side too. Those are the motor mount bolts. Then I could lift it up a little bit and get that that oil pan out. I'll probably put a new one in there. Damn, I think this will conclude this first video here. We got the cam in full. So we don't have to remove the cam at all. It's a keeper. I was worried if it was something that was out of whack or just stock maybe still or something, but no, she's an aftermarket. It's good. It's a performance cam. That's what I want. And a double roller. Beautiful. Okay, so the next steps will be a top end zone. This carb intake. I got it zoomed in still. No. And then these valve covers to eventually get to these heads are coming out. Those are the heads right there underneath those big chrome valve covers. What the heck is in the way of this frickin' thing? See that? Is that the shadow? Oh. Okay. We're good, we're good. Okay, that will conclude this video. Van is coming apart. And it's getting ready for... Let me show you. Ta-da! Vortex. The cream of the crop. The Holy Grails. Got the sawtooth markings. These are beasts. Best heads GM ever built. So it's a 480 lift. That means these springs all need to come out and be replaced, because these things are only good up to 470 lift stock. So I'll need to go a little bit higher. Plus I might put 1.6 rockers, which will bring the lift a little bit higher. So, but so far so good. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. We'll start removing all this stuff in the next video. Get into these heads. Remove all this crap up on top. That'll be a good one. Stay tuned, folks. Stay tuned.
I know you're out there lighting the flame, burning through the night, and you're drifting like a runaway train with a thirst that's ready to bite. The alleys whisper, so you chase what you crave. You're playing with the edge of a knife. When the sirens cry, you seal up your fate. You're gambling with the price of your life. I feel you stare in the dark when the thrill is gone. Every time you vanish again, I'm left here hanging on. And I hear you calling, but I won't let you through. I see the storm rising, and it's wild, yeah, it's wild in you. You're sinking low where the lights burn gold. It's got a hold on your soul, where every deal is bought and sold, and the truth's just a story they told. You chase what fades, then you burn through it fast, trying to numb out the pain. But every night leaves a deeper line, and you're lost in the same old game. Oh, cold stares betray you with every crooked grin, thinking I'll forgive you, but I know just where you've been. Your trail is burning down a one-way road. Don't come knocking on me, 'cause darling, I'm catching the train. Your cold stares betray you with every shadow sin, thinking I'll believe you, but I won't let you back in. And I hear you whisper, but I won't turn around. I see the fire and it's burning, yeah, it's burning down. Yeah, it's burning to the ground. Oh, I won't let you in. I won't let you in. Oh no, I won't let you in. No, I won't let you in.
James has a name with a bite. Chrome so clean, shines day and night. Side pipes rumble, headers loud. White tires and mags, grip so proud. Bubble glass windows, flares on the side. Merrill's paint dreams of the vanner's pride. Fridge stock cold, stereo high, overhead console, speakers fly. Fuzzy die swinging, shag wall to wall, captain's chairs, bed and back, it's got it all. Sunroof, moonroof, toggle switches too, and a CB